Looking for the ultimate robot vacuum in 2025? The Roborock S8 Max Ultra delivers luxury cleaning like never before. This powerful robot vacuum boasts 8,000 pascal suction, effortlessly tackling dirt and debris on any floor type. Its dual vibration mop scrubs away dry stains with ease, while the PressaSense LiDAR system and reactive 3D obstacle avoidance ensure flawless navigation around your home. The revolutionary RockDock Ultra automatically washes the mop with hot water, dries it to prevent odors, and even refills the water tank. Control the S8 Max Ultra with the intuitive Roborock app, featuring Smart Plan for customized cleaning schedules and specialized modes like pet area deep cleaning. Find links in the description to buy the Roborock S8 Max Ultra. With a massive $500 discount on Amazon, this premium robot vacuum is now an incredible value. Don't miss out on this limited-time offer for the best robot vacuum of 2025. Upgrade your cleaning routine with the Roborock S8 Max Ultra and experience the future of clean. Grab yours today before the deal expires.